What's up, guys? So welcome back to your daily entertainment bars right here on that AGH TV. If you are new here and you have not subscribed to this channel, I will urge you to kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime you drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Also, don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and lovers.
You know, you said something. You say attire. Yeah, attire. And I still the tire. Because I know the where I want the. Not where you want to see me say I did. Where me I want the. I the tire to get there. And I will get there. And it's really sad when it has to come from somebody like you telling me say I the tire. And you know, with all the this you were dissing people, there's one question I want to ask. Have you ever heard me sitting somewhere saying something ill about you? Say something, just name one thing that I said about you that you don't like. If I'm a pundit on some Flex show, there's a reason. Listen, if I'm on some Flex show as a pundit today, there's a reason. I'll tell you something. Your way is not the only way. Remember when we did Papa Mike in house and you were like, Grey, you have to join me in this fight. Do you remember what I tell you? Bro, I respect and salute you a lot, but I beg you, you said something that really made me feel like, wow, Shatta, really? Say what? If I did on the show and people come on the show and I tell them, yo, big up, you the force and things, at the back of my mind, it pain me because I wasn't able to get there. Really, Shatta? It pain me to get there. And when I meet people like you people, I feel like, yeah, I should have been where. Oh, Shatta. No be everybody get that mind though. No be everybody get that mind. Say, I can't be you. And you can't be me. Your way is your way, my way is my way. Your way is your way, and my way is my way. Saying a whole lot of stuff, my bruh. And has there been any chance me and you sit down and talk? When I talk about Reggie and you feel like I could be saying no unbow Reggie Stone story, brawa bre.